Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Menteri Berikmi yakatnat kakot kakya jong Sarkar Gujarat, Kishore Kanani, henne gasngi ka khan reutrek mentau Benai Risau arajakat pra, ulakot kerpang yaki pajba anong sungsnong jong ke Jela Meghalaya, banwan sakhilang yak jingple pajba, yo modder Bashiraniang, jong Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Balatei dak Sarkar Gujarat, Komisi Benta dan pensa nam yang uniu nong ilam kari India, Balai dan Benta, hakaba penyo yak jing lai luon yak kari India na jing sensar kidole. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Uday nong board jong Mahatma Gandhi Bahmat hakapor ke jingile lai luon na jing sensar dan board kidole. Bad hadien bak India kalayo yak jing lai luon, lolong ru Deputy Prime Minister Baningkong jong kari India. Ya uniu modder Bashiraniang ubajrong hadu sispa propulai meter jong Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Bat ya ubala nyauru kum modder bajrong tam hakaperthai latai dak kenhon Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Rashtriya Ekta Trust haka jinglon ke bakon lai hajar shiklor tingka hakaba on supply pajba do menteri rang bado kari India Narendra Modi haka lai poetrek mentau Benai Risau arajar khatpra.
We extend a hearty welcome invitation to the people of the state of Meghalaya to become a part of the historic ceremony of the unveiling of the dedication of the Statue of Unity to the nation by the Honorable PM. The Statue of Unity is a 182-meter high statue deemed to be the highest in the world. It is an embodiment of the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister of Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat. The Statue of Unity shall not just be a statue, it shall be a working example of the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister. It will host a number of facilities. There will be a viewing gallery at the height of about 500 feet, from which the picturesque background of the Sardar Sarovar Dam can be enjoyed. There will be a whole research center dedicated to the ideals of the Sardar Patel, which will conduct research on various issues that were close to the heart of Sardar Patel, such as tribal development, rural development, public administration. A whole museum, a light and sound show is being dedicated, is being constructed there at the statue. We hope that these people of Meghalaya will become a part of the historic initiative, of the historic moment when this statue will be dedicated, because the entire idea behind this is to inspire a whole generation, to make them aware of the ideals of Sardar Patel. The idea is to spur socio-economic growth in the tribal dominated region of Narmada. We are hoping that after this statue and after these facilities are created, around 15,000 visitors per day shall be visiting the statue, which will start an economic growth engine there in the region. The Honorable CM of Gujarat has extended his invitation to all the CMs and governors, to all the people of the nation to become a part of the initiative. There is then a proposal going on by which bhavans for various states will be constructed there, so that this project becomes a true embodiment of the unity of nation as envisaged by the Iron Man of India, by the Bismarck of India, Sardar Patel.